Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. As you can see behind me is my 2018 Model 3. It still has the chrome. Now my wife just gifted me a chrome delete kit from Nikola Pro. So if you still have a Tesla with the chrome and you're interested in doing a DIY project on your own, I'll leave the links to this product in the description below. Now here's the catch. My wife is very meticulous and she's very crafty. So she wants to do this on her own as a present to me. So I'm not gonna help her out with this. She's actually going to do this. I'm just gonna film some parts of it because I don't wanna bore you with the whole 4 to 5 hour process. So do me a favor, smash that like button for my wife, subscribe if you haven't, and enjoy. All right, so as you can see, my wife unboxed it. What we like about this set, it comes with 2 pieces in case you mess up. As you can see, this is the driver mirror side. So if you mess up, you have an extra. Also, it comes with a heat gun. So if you don't have one, this comes with the heat gun. Comes with instructions. It also has a video instruction, so you can look at that prior to installing. And here's the rest of the strips. So my wife, she's going to start with the mirrors because apparently that's the hardest. So check this out. These are all the pieces for right one here. Mirror. Starts right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that's the hardest part. Once you get the mirrors down, everything else should be much easier. Check this out. Also comes with the badges. My badge is already deleted with a different color, so I might put this on Ruby, or I might give it away. Stay tuned. There's no way I would have done this. I'm gonna have to take it to Ruth Chris after this. All right, so this is actually the last part of the mirror. Believe it or not, this mirror took 1 hour to do. What? About 11 pieces. I didn't do anything. My wife did it all. I have no patience for this. My wife is working on the windows now. Here's the back side of the window, the passenger side. Just put a little heat to it. She has her little go by right here. Instructional video like I mentioned earlier. How's it going?
Good.
Are the windows pretty easy?
Easier than the mirrors.
Working on the front side door on the passenger side. All right, so we're almost done, or let me say my wife's. This is pretty much the last piece of the passenger side. Any tips for anybody who's doing this, babe?
Be patient.
Gotta have a lot of patience. We had a couple of hiccups. We only used a couple of the spare pieces, right?
Yes, only 2.
All right, so my wife just finished the passenger side. As you can see, it took her about 3 hours. She had a couple of hiccups, but she overcame them, and look at my car, it's looking amazing. We're gonna do the driver's side next. All right, so my wife's doing the driver's side. As you can see, this is the long piece. I'm just helping her hold the vinyl up. There's a lot of stretching the vinyl out, right?
Mm-hmm.
So if you see a crease in a bubble, what do you do? Constantly doing a lot of that.
A lot of stretching it out.
Lifting it up and stretching it out.
6 hours later.
All right guys, so my wife just finished doing the chrome delete on my Model 3. She did an amazing job. I'm absolutely happy with the results. I feel like I have a brand new car. Check that out. It took about 6 hours to complete. Like I mentioned earlier in the video, the mirrors were the toughest part. So if you're planning to do this on your own, Keep in mind the mirror is a little pain, but it's definitely doable. If she can do it, you can do it. And like I mentioned earlier in the video, we actually did purchase the kit from Nikola Pro. I'll leave the links to the description. It's a great set. It comes with a heat gun. It also comes with 2 pieces each, just in case you mess up. Shout out to Nikola Pro also for that great customer service. We actually needed a 3rd piece, and they're sending it to us free of charge. So check them out. Like I mentioned earlier also, I have extra sets. This is for the Model 3, for the frunk and the trunk. So drop a comment, smash that like button, and I'll pick a winner in a week or so. All right, guys, that's a wrap for this video. I truly appreciate everyone who's been rocking with my channel. Please hit that like button. Consider subscribing if you haven't. Share this video. Tell a friend to tell a friend, and I'll catch you in another one. Until then, work hard but play harder. Peace.